Let me show you all motions and gestures available on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So in order to find them, we can go to settings, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find additional settings. And now over here, you can go to gestures, gesture shortcuts, where we can find, for example, the shortcut for the digital assistant, that is Gemini or Google Assistant, which can be enabled and disabled over here. We can also find, for example, this gesture, slide 3 fingers down in order to take a screenshot, and also we can use volume down and power. We can also we can capture the partial screenshot by pressing and holding with 3 fingers on the screen. We have additional power button shortcut, that is the double press the power button. We can use it to launch the camera or to turn on the flashlight. And we also have back tap gestures, which can be used by tapping with your finger over here in this spot below the whole camera. And we can activate double back tap or triple back tap. We can choose what should happen when we perform the back tap. And that is essentially it in terms of these main gestures that we have available that we can activate or deactivate. Besides that, of course, we also have, for example, the one-handed mode, but I don't think it really counts towards gestures. And there is also, for example, circle to search, which I suppose it is pretty similar to the one-handed mode situation, where I'm not sure if it really counts as a gesture. It's just additional feature. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!